here in high school. Time to get ready, I guess. It honestly no one knows I'm a wolf. Your outfit is so ugly. That was me. Huh? No, my
Are you okay?
Oh my god, he's so hot. Oh my god, he's so cute. What do I do? Maybe I should say hello?
No, never mind.
What? Oh well.
So basically that 101 is turned off, so yeah, that's 101. Detention for disrupting my lesson.
That was so not my fault. It totally pushed me. If you do it again, I'll show my truth. Yeah, me. Uh-oh. We have a surprise. I have had enough. Time to show my
Real form. Moo ha 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 ha. Yay!